Ever wondered how some people become millionaires before they even hit 30? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of young millionaires. We're talking mindset shifts, investing strategies, side hustles that actually make bank, and stories of real people who went from zero to millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Let's do this. All right, first things first, we gotta talk about mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of everything you do. You can have all the money-making strategies in the world, but if your mindset is stuck in broke college student mode, you're not going to get very far. It's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. You need to shift your thinking to align with your goals. Millionaires, even the young ones, think differently. They have a mindset of abundance and possibility. They don't see limitations, they see opportunities. They focus on what they can do, not what they can't. When I started this YouTube channel, everyone thought I was crazy. You're giving away money? They asked. You're spending thousands on hide-and-seek games. What's wrong with you? But I saw something different. I saw a way to entertain, to connect, to build something huge. And you know what? It worked. People started to see the value in what I was doing. So how do you develop this millionaire mindset? It starts with believing in yourself, setting big, hairy, audacious goals, and being willing to hustle harder than you ever have before. You have to be relentless in your pursuit of success. Don't be afraid to dream big, guys. Write down your goals, visualize yourself achieving them, and most importantly, believe with every fiber of your being that it's possible. Because it is. I'm living proof, and there are countless others out there who started with nothing and built empires. But, and this is a big but, it's not going to happen overnight. You're going to face challenges, setbacks, people who doubt you. But the key is to stay focused, stay consistent, and never ever give up on your dreams. The only way to fail is to quit. So keep pushing, keep striving, and unlock your inner money magnet. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, investing. It's not just for the wealthy or the financial experts, it's for everyone who wants to see their money grow. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make your money work for you. With the right approach, anyone can start investing and see their money grow over time. In fact, the younger you start, the better. Time is a powerful ally when it comes to growing your investments. Why? 2 words: compound interest. This is the magic that makes your money grow exponentially over time. Think of it like this. You invest $100 today. It might not seem like much, but it's a start. It earns a little bit of interest. Over time, that interest starts to add up. Then that interest earns interest, and so on and so forth. This is the power of compounding. It's like a snowball effect. But instead of snow, it's your money growing exponentially. The longer you let it roll, the bigger it gets. Time is your best friend when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, where do you start? There are tons of options out there. Stocks, bonds, real estate, even crypto. Each has its own risks and rewards. The key is to do your research. Start small and diversify. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know what I'm saying? Diversification is crucial to managing risk. One of the best pieces of advice I ever got was to invest in what you understand. If you know the industry, you're more likely to make informed decisions. Find something you're passionate about and see if there are investment opportunities there. Passion can drive better research and smarter investments. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. Start today and let time work its magic on your investments. All right, let's be real, guys. Saving money is important, investing is crucial, but sometimes you just need to make more freaking money. That's where side hustles come in. Gone are the days of relying on a single job to pay the bills. In today's world, it's all about diversifying your income streams and building multiple sources of revenue. Think about it. If one income stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. It's like having a financial safety net made of pure gold. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra cash flow? The beauty of side hustles is that there are literally endless possibilities. The key is to find something you enjoy, something that plays to your strengths, and something that has the potential to generate a decent income. Remember, your side hustle should light you up, not burn you out. Listen up, guys, because this is important. We're about to dive into something that could change your life. In today's fast-paced world, the only constant is change. Every day, new opportunities and challenges arise. New technologies are emerging, industries are evolving, and if you're not constantly learning and adapting, you're going to get left behind. It's a race, and you need to keep up. Think of it like this. Your brain is like a muscle. Just like physical exercise, mental exercise is crucial. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Reading, learning, and practicing new skills are your brain's workouts. And just like you wouldn't expect to win a bodybuilding competition without putting in the work at the gym, you can't expect to achieve financial success without investing in your education. It's all about dedication and effort. But here's the good news. Learning doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be incredibly fun and engaging. Gone are the days of stuffy classrooms and tedious textbooks. Now, learning is more accessible and enjoyable than ever. Today, you can learn anything you want, from anywhere in the world, with just a few clicks of a button. There are online courses, podcasts, and so much more. YouTube channels like this one. Books, seminars, and interactive workshops. Workshops, you name it. The variety of resources available is astounding. Whatever you're interested in, whatever skills you want to develop, there's a resource out there waiting for you. And the best part? Many of these resources are free or very affordable. Continuous learning doesn't have to break the bank. There are countless budget-friendly options available. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So take the first step today and start investing in your future. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. This is all great, Mr. Beast. But are there really young people out there who have actually become millionaires using these strategies? The answer is a resounding yes. Take Mark Zuckerberg, for example. He started Facebook from his dorm room when he was just a college student. Now he's one of the richest people in the world. Or how about Kylie Jenner? She turned her passion for makeup into a billion-dollar empire before she even turned 25. And it's not just tech moguls and beauty gurus. There are young millionaires who made their fortunes in real estate, e-commerce, investing, and countless other industries. The point is, age is just a number. These young millionaires are proof that anything is possible if you set your mind to it and refuse to give up on your dreams. So there you have it, guys. The secrets to becoming a millionaire at a young age are out in the open. Remember, it all starts with your mindset. Believe in yourself, set big goals, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that can change your life. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now.